This is code.org. Let's see what we're doing. What can you add to the end of the code to get the bird to the pig? So right now in the workspace, we have 4 blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we shouldn't use more than 5. Yikes. Let's see where this gets us. I'm going to step through it once. Yep, so south, south, south. Now which way would I need to go? Here. Okay, I could go to the west. Okay, so let's see. Now, this should work, but there's also a faster way that I'm going to show you. Quapow! Ah! Let's replay real quick, because notice this is repeat 3. So I bet if we put something in a repeat block, it repeats. Okay, so it would go zoop, 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 right? So let's test this theory out. I'm going to just drop 1 south in here, and let's see if it runs this 3 times. Boom, zoop, 2, 3, and it stops. Okay, well, so if we're going to do that, let's get rid of these, and let me drop this in here, and let's run it. But this is wrong. Why is it wrong? Well, if you saw, I step into it, we go south, and then we go west right away. We don't want to go west right away. We need to go south 3 times. Do we want to go west 3 times? No, we just want to go west once, all the way at the end here. When we get right here, we go west. So what a computer will do if I put the code like this, it says, oh, okay, you want to go south 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Boom, I'm done. I drop beneath, and now I'll go west once. Once it finishes running the loop that many times, it runs code beneath it. Let's give this a shot. But we did it. And we even had an extra line of code that we didn't need. Let's keep going.